Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create this super cute hijab style. It's so easy and it's perfect if you're a busy mom like me who don't have that much time to, put on your scarf. Then this is perfect style for you. It's super easy. So the material of this one is like silk chiffon, perfect for autumn. I don't know why, but I think this like ombre thing is like really autumnal. Let's just get right into it and yeah, I'll show you how I created this look. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!